Planning to remodel your bathroom in Atlanta? Wondering if you need a permit? We've got the answers for you. If your bathroom makeover involves more than just a fresh coat of paint, like plumbing, electrical work, structural changes, ventilation system alterations, accessibility modifications, or changes in historic districts, then yes, you'll likely need a permit. It's all about ensuring your project complies with local building codes and regulations, keeping you on the right side of the law. So, if you're planning any major changes, it's likely you'll need a permit. You might be asking, why bother with a permit? Well, it's not just a piece of paper, it's your ticket to a successful remodel. It ensures that your changes align with local building codes and regulations. Without it, you could face legal issues down the line. Moreover, it's about safety. A permitted remodel means that all modifications meet safety standards, protecting you and your home. Remember, obtaining a permit isn't just about following the rules, it's about ensuring your remodel is safe and up to code. So how do you go about obtaining a permit for your bathroom remodel in Atlanta? Well, it's a step-by-step process. First, you'll need to research local building codes. Next, prepare necessary documents including blueprints of your planned remodel. Then apply for the permit and pay the application fees. Finally, schedule inspections to ensure everything is up to code. It may seem like a lot, but don't worry, there's help available. At Southern Oak Home Renovation, we're here to make your bathroom remodel as smooth as possible. Our team of licensed and insured contractors know the ins and outs of the Atlanta permit process. They'll handle all the paperwork, arrange inspections, and ensure your remodel meets local building codes. So, while we're sweating the small stuff, you can start imagining your perfect bathroom. With Southern Oak Home Renovation, you can focus on the fun part, designing your dream bathroom.